Hello, my name is Mini Sethi. Today I'm going to discuss about brief summary of Stranger's Secret book. This book is given by Earl Nightingale. Okay, we all start our life with expecting lot of success. We all start our life with expecting lot of success. But at the age of 65, only 5% people are financially successful. We all start our life with expecting success, but at the age of 65, only 5% people are financially successful. Why such a gap? Reason of this gap is Stranger's Secret. Answer of this gap is Stranger's Secret. Why this secret called strange? Why this secret is so strange? Because very few people know about this secret. Very few people know about this secret. That's why only 5% people are successful. Once you know this secret, use this secret, your life will completely transform. Once you know this secret, once you use this secret, your life will completely transform. Before knowing this strange secret, we must be know what is actual meaning of success. According to author of this book, success is according to author of this book, success is progressively realization of worthy idea. This is meaning of, this is definition of success according to Earl Nightingale. But what does this mean? This means that if a person has clear goal, if a person have clear goal, he exactly know where he is going. He exactly know where he is going. He is working on predetermined goal. He is going to succeed. It means that if a person have clear defined goal, he exactly know where he is going, he is working on predetermined goal, is going to succeed, is going to success. Okay, this is meaning of success according to author of this book. Okay, that's why author says that goal setting is very important. That's why goal setting is very important. You must have a goal. You must know where you are going. That's why person with goal always succeed, because he actually know where he is going. Person without goal is like a ship without captain. Person without goal is like a ship without captain. Okay, if a ship have without captain, he don't know his destination, he don't have any guideline, this is zero chance to be reached in the successful destination. A person without goal is like a ship without captain. This ship don't have any destination, this ship don't have any guideline, this is zero chance he will reach in successful destination. Okay, that's why goal setting is very important. Firstly, we discussed about goal setting, importance of goal setting. Now we discuss about important part of this book, that is meaning of strange secret. What is strange secret? Okay, what is strange secret? Secret means that you become what you think about. You become what you think about. Why people with goal is going to succeed? Why people with goal is going to succeed? Because suppose a person have a goal. Suppose he want to be a software engineer. This person have a clear defined goal. He is continue thinking about his goal. He is constantly thinking about his goal. He will attract whole task in direction of his goal achievement and finally achieve its goal. Okay, a person who have clearly defined goal, he is continue thinking about his goal, he will attract a whole task in direction of goal achievement, because a person become what he or she think. We become what we think. That's why if a person have a clear defined goal, he is continue thinking about goal, he will actually receive it goal, he will actually achieve his goal, because a person become what he or she think about. That's why this is secret. On the other hand, this person don't have any clear goal. This person don't have any clear goal. He's continue think about confusion. He's continue think about fear. He's continue have an anxiety. He will attract the life with full of frustration. He will attract the life with full of frustration, full of fear, full of an anxiety, because he don't have clearly defined goal, and he become what he think about. We become what he think about. This is secret. This is stranger's secret. If you apply this secret in your life, your life will completely transform. If a person have a clear defined goal, he will continue thinking about his goal. He will achieve this goal, because we become what we think about. This is secret. This person don't have any goal. He think about fear and anxiety, confusion. He will create the life full of frustration, full of an anxiety, full of fear. This is stranger's secret. Human mind work like a farmer field. Human mind work like a farmer field. It will grow what you planted. Human mind is like a farmer field. It will grow what you planted it. If you once you planted your goal in your mind, once you planted your goal in your mind and continue care for it, work towards it, it become your reality. Human mind is like a farmer field. It will be grow what you planted here. Once you planted your goal in your mind and continue care for it, continue work towards it, it become your reality. Firstly, we discuss about importance of goal setting. Then we discuss about strangest secret. Now we discuss about 30-day challenge, 30-day test given by author for implementing this secret into your life. For using this secret into your life, author describe about 30 days test. 30 days test. Okay. For 30 days, you have to follow various steps. First step is that take a card, take a card and write about your goal. Take a card and write about your goal. For 30 days, you have to follow these steps. First step is that take a card and write about your goal. Keep in your mind, it must be clear goal and single goal. Okay, take a card and write down about your goal. It must have clear goal and single defined goal. Carry this card with you. Carry this card with you. Okay, and look at it several times in a day. Carry this card with you and look at it several times in the day, and think about your goal when you get up in the morning. First step is that take a card and write about your goal. It must have clear and single defined goal. Carry your card with you and look at it several times in the day. When get up in the morning, think about your goal. This is first step. Second step is that stop stop thinking about your fear. Stop thinking about your fear. This is very difficult part of this challenge, because forming new habit is not easy task. Because forming new habit is not easy task. That's why only 5% people are successful. That's why only 5% people are successful, because forming new habit is not easy task. For 30 days you have to think positive. If any negative thought comes in your mind, completely replace it with positive thought. If any negative thought comes in your mind, completely replace it with positive thought. After 30 days, it become your habit. This way of thinking become your habit. Lastly, author says that providing service to others. Focus on providing service to others. Service to others. What does it mean? Your success is measured by quality of service you provide to others. Your success is measured by quality of service you provide to others. A businessman is successful because he provides good product to customer. A teacher is successful because he provides good education to teacher. A doctor is successful because he providing good treatment to patient. Your success is measure by quality of service you provide to other. So before expecting money, you should focus on providing service to other. Before expecting money, you should focus on providing service to other. Okay, this is about brief summary of this book. I think you understand things.